Hey gang, your old pal PourMan back here, hooking you up once again. Before we get cranking, why don't you reach down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future adventures of your old pal. All right, so in that continuing line of classic cocktails, when you go into a bar, a lot of folks order rum and coke or this, that, and the other thing, but they don't necessarily know the official name. Today, we are going to go ahead, and what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to make a Cape Cod. Now, it's a piece of cake. If you don't know what a Cape Cod is, it's literally 3 ingredients. And very tasty, very refreshing, pretty much one that you can drink year-round. And, well, I guess without further ado, why don't we just go ahead and get cracking into it. Easy peasy. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 2 ounces of vodka supplied by my good friends at Infuse. Thank you very much. 2 ounces of just regular old vodka. Now, I will tell you, for this cocktail, you can also use lemon-infused vodka if you so desire. If you like it a little tart, more tangy. We're going to go ahead. We're just going to build this straight up. I've already got my cool-ass square cube right there, okay? We're just going to pour that right on top of there. 2 ounces, all right? 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. So literally, a Cape Cod is nothing more than a vodka cran. But if you didn't know that, and somebody said something to you, you may or may not know. The only other thing that's going to go into this is we're going to put probably about ½ ounce of fresh lime juice in there. And just for effect, we're going to go ahead and squeeze a little lime on the top there, and we'll just drop that bad boy right in there. It's as easy as that. This is a Cape Cod, okay? Pretty cool looking drink, if I do say so myself, and pretty tasty as well. Take my little stirring rod here, stir it up, and again, gotta make sure that everything is done the right way. So, because I'm your pal, I'm gonna check this out for you. Let me see. Yep, good. Just like I knew it would be. Cape Cod, to get the recipe, it's really complicated. PourManMike.com. And if you push that button right over there, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, giving you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure coming out every Friday. Till next time, pour well, pour often. You tell them PourMan sent you. We'll see you later.